Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance in a no push lawnmower. The one I have is a CRAFTSMAN with a Briggs and Stratton engine, 190cc of the Briggs and Stratton 625 series. This particular model has a 21-inch diameter blade. So I'm going to show you how to change the filter, oil, and a spark plug. As you can see, I got these bags from Home Depot. You can purchase this kit for maintenance anywhere. You can buy it in Lowe's, you can buy it online in Amazon, whatever is more convenient to you. But this one in particular, I got it from Home Depot. And what it comes in the bags, let me show you. In the bags, you can see the spark plug, the engine oil. This is for a premium 4-cycle engines and is from the same brand of the engine, Briggs and Stratton. And it comes also with an air filter. And obviously inside the bags it comes with the manual, all the instructions, step by step, how to change all those items. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the filter. You can see this cover right here. I have to remove it, and easy, it's gonna be replaced right away. Okay, so we have to remove this cover. As you can see, it's an old one. It's all dusty and has a lot of dry grass and oil, so I'm gonna clean that up. So I have these old toothbrushes, good enough to remove all the dust and oil, any kind of debris that is inside the case. Okay, in the filter you will see these words. It says up and out with these arrows pointing out. So this filter goes on this case. It's gonna fit really nice right there. And now these hooks, this is gonna be on this plastic structure right here. So I'm gonna place it, push in, and now I'm gonna be able to put the screw back. Okay, now this is tight and snug, and the filter has been changed. Okay, now it's time to change the spark plug and put the new one. So you unplug the cap, and now that it's loose, I can do it by hand. And now it's time to put the new one. Alright, now that installed by hand, I need to tie this enough to secure it. And that's it. Now with the cap on, the connection is done. Alright, now I'm gonna change the engine oil. And by the way, you know, to get rid of the waste, you may use a pan or any container to recycle that oil. Don't waste it out there in the environment. Recycling this, you can bring this waste oil to any recycling center close to where you live. Okay, now I'm gonna drain the engine oil on this waste oil storage container. For that reason, I'm gonna tilt the lawnmower. I'm gonna tilt it to drain the oil. It's gonna take a while. Okay, no more oils coming out, so now I'm gonna be able to put the new oil. And the type of oil has to be the 4-cycle small engine oil for this type of lawnmowers. This one is a SAE 30. This is 18 ounces, 0.535 liters. So it's full. The oil has been changed. I'm gonna put a little bit of gasoline because the gas tank is empty. I'm gonna prime it. And let's see how it goes. And that will make it. So the maintenance is done. Thank you guys for watching this video. God bless you all.